After logging into the application, go to the relevant page by clicking on the Reports menu item. Select the report you wish to generate from the report table on this page, click on the Choose button and you will be redirected to the screen where you need to enter the parameters of the report you selected. For example, let's select Violation Details Report. On the page, select or enter the time range for which you wish to receive a report by clicking on the relevant tab. Then select an organization, group or sensor source from the tree. Finally, select the file format in which the report will be generated. You can choose one of the following formats from the list: PDF, HTML, XLS, XLSX, Docs, or ODD. Finally, click on the Generate Report button to start generating the report. Wait while the report is being generated. When the report is ready, you can download the generated report by clicking the Download Report button, or you can start over by clicking the Start Over button. On the report page, you can also schedule the report you have selected to be sent as an attachment to the email addresses you have provided within a given schedule calendar. To do this, first select the report from the table, then enter some parameters on the page which opens by clicking on the Schedule Report button. Enter a name for the schedule calendar opposite the schedule name label. For example, here we will call it Monthly Violation Details Report for Demo Sensors. Then enter the time interval for the report to be generated. You can specify these intervals in relative terms in the This, Last, and Previous tabs. Or you can schedule the report and provide a date range between the start and end dates in the Special tab. The relative time will select a time range backwards from the time the report is generated in the future, while the special time range can be used for report schedules that will be sent temporarily at a future time. If you want to use a split time interval during the day in the selected time range, select the appropriate hour interval from the Hour section. For example, you may only want to receive reports of violations that occurred during business hours. If the report file is potentially large, you can compress the attachment by selecting the Zip Attachment option. Select the report file format from the Output Format list. The report format can be PDF, XLS, XLSX, Docs, CSV, HTML, ODS, ODD, or RFT. Select an organization, group or sensor resource from the tree. Select the date you wish the report to be generated. You may wish the report to be generated immediately or at a specified time in the future. Data is stored in the system with a UTC timestamp, so select your time zone to receive reports based on your location's time zone. Select the recurrence type of the schedule. You can simply select the number of minutes, hours, days, or weeks. For example, if you want the report to be generated every month, you can set it to 4 weeks. For a more complex recurrence type, select Calendar. Here you can specify the weeks, days of the week, hours of the day and minutes of the hour for which you wish to receive the report. If you need the report to be generated until a certain date, or a certain number of times, or continuously, you must select the appropriate options. To generate a specific number of reports, the recurrence type must be set to Simple. Select the addresses to which the report will be sent from the list or enter them manually if they are not in the list. Finally, select the language in which the report will be generated from the list of supported languages. Once all these parameters have been correctly entered, you can schedule the report by pressing the Add button. Pressing the button will take you back to the report screen. This screen contains the list of report schedules you have created in the table named Scheduled Report List. In this list you can see which report you have scheduled with report label, the name of the schedule you have assigned with schedule name, the time the schedule was created, by whom the schedule was created and the list of email recipients. You can also edit or delete the associated schedule calendar using the Actions button, or download the report immediately before the scheduled time.